Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Peter, your virtual Fiery XF assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can determine the support expiration date for your Fiery XF. So let's get started. Simply open Command WorkStation and navigate to your Server Manager. In the first tab, your license and contract information is shown. In case you're running a temporary license code, its date of expiration is given and no valid support contract is indicated. If having activated a permanent LAC code, the associated date is given below the license overview. Make sure to deactivate any temporary codes to avoid a wrong information shown with the Manage button above. In case you feel there is a mismatch, just reach out to us so we can check the dates in the backend to be correct. And this is how you find the expiration date for your support contract. Thanks for watching.